Many buyers tell me that they want to consider looking at a fixer-upper or a home that needs work. In reality, they don't. Most don't even want to paint. As a seller, what can you do to enhance the value and desirability of your home? The following slides can help you decide. Take a look.
More.